So we put together this image to help kind of visualize what is available now with the new Data Explorer app. So let's start with, traditionally when you use Gluware, you would navigate into an application like Device Manager or Config Drift and Audit. You would perform an inventory or a drift or an audit, and then you would have your results, and Device Manager the underlying Device Explorer would populate with all the results that occur. And from Device Explorer in each app, you can export out your default report. In that default report, it's a set of fixed columns and rows that are generated out and available to you. We refer to that as the default report. So Gluware provided data that was very app-oriented depending on what part of the platform you're using. Well, in this new process or new way to use or get to the data, you can navigate into Data Explorer directly, and then either by choosing a pre-built report or navigating into the template editor and creating your own report or user-defined report, you can define the fields exactly how you would want to see. So for example, maybe you want information directly from Device Manager fields like the host name and the discovered serial number and the operating system version. And then maybe you also want what the drift status is, and maybe you want to know if an operating system upgrade passed or failed all in one report. So that type of mixed data report wasn't really available directly before, and now you can surface any kind of data you want in a user-defined report. The other component of that is referring back to the applications and the fact they have default reports. Using Data Explorer, you can build out a report that has the fields that you want to see from a specific app. So instead of getting the default report I get in Device Manager, I can fully customize a report using my template editor and then deem that as the default report for when I generate reports out as Device Manager. So it's very useful in terms of customizing and seeing exactly the data you want to see. The other aspect of that is once a template is created from any of the apps, when you generate reports, you can obviously generate the default report, but you also have access to the other templates that are created and available. So that library is available to you not just from Device Explorer. Once they're created, they're available from the other apps as well. So just the kind of three main category are user-defined reports. Those user-defined reports you can then deem as custom default reports. And then there are dozens of example reports that Gluware is creating and making available on the knowledge base. So these include things like hardware inventory, port state reports, port utilization, layer 2 and layer 3 configuration, and more. For more information, check out Gluware.com. Reach out to us by requesting a demo or email us at sales@Gluware.com. From Gluware.com, you can request a free trial or take our test drive and try the application for yourself. Thanks again for your time and interest in Gluware.